us here at Mu Monastery, a little less than 4,000 meters in the Tibet-Nepali borderlands. We've been on pilgrimage with Geshe Tenzin Zopa in awe about the World Peace Stupa, which is near its completion, and in search of another meaningful service project through the Gradual Path. And sure enough, lo and behold, Geshe-la has really emphasized the importance of this monastery.
Tibet. The previous Guru Rinpoche established this monastery initially not for community. It is really to house the relics and preserve that in the land and in those holy objects that you can see. Hundreds and hundreds of treasures of Dharma.
Given the fact that it is really the holder of so many precious relics and so remote and so hidden, he's asked us to really think about making a contribution to preserve the relics that are here, including tankas and stupas and some other hidden relics, but also the buildings and grounds are in disrepair.
Now is the time to do some renovations, and especially to seal properly the roof, and then also we need to preserve these ancient scriptures. All of them came from Tibet, and all these tankas you see, if you don't preserve now, I think eventually will disappear.
And it is really a wonderful opportunity for us to come together with the right intention and the right energy to preserve this place and to ensure that its relics are well preserved for future posterity.
I have a hard time asking people to give financial support to help the project. So very much most of the help is like they get inspired and they approach me and say they want to help. And for that, $1 and $100 million equal. Or even don't contribute with the material form, money form, but prayers, well wishes, rejoice. That is the huge contribution.
So please consider joining us in the Gradual Path to help Geshe Tenzin Zopa to preserve the Mu Monastery and bring it up to full standard for a place for retreat and a place to really create a wonderful opportunity for merit, not just for now, but for future generations.
Directly or indirectly, anybody involved, they receive the ultimate benefit of the Dharma and the merit. So I feel proud of that managed to play a little role in between that. So thank you.
Thank you so much on behalf of Emily and myself. We look forward to working with you to make this another special project for the coming years.